Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Toshiba Portable Air Purifier. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. You can see this is a small and compact air purifier that's portable and has low noise operation. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here's all the contents. First up, we have our user guide and manual, followed by our power supply cable and adapter. Lastly, we have the air purifier itself in two pieces. So the piece to the left has our controls, everything. That's going to be the top of the unit. The piece to the right is going to be the bottom portion. That includes our filter. Be sure to follow the prompt on the yellow sticker to remove plastic before use. Here's a close-up of the included filter with the plastic removed. So this has multiple layers. On the outside, we have our pre-filter, followed by our PET layer. Then we have our HEPA filter, which is going to remove 99.97% of air pollutants as small as 0.3 microns. And then we have a carbon filter to help absorb smoke and odors. Installation simple and straightforward. First thing we have to do, which we already did, remove the plastic. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to place this piece on top of this piece, and it's going to snap right in place. You can see where it's going to click right in there. So everything's snapped in place. Now we have the unit set up and it's time to plug it in and power it on. All right, so we have the unit plugged in. Here's a quick peek of the air purifier from the back side. Everything looks great. Now it's time to go over the controls. Up at the top of the air purifier, you'll find the control panel with all of our different touch buttons. Let's go ahead, let's power it on. It's very responsive. Let's go over the first button. Up here we have our mode selector. So we can choose between turbo, sleep, or auto mode. Next, we have our fan icon here. We can adjust the speed. We have 12 different speed settings. Then we have our timer button. So we can set it for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 12 hours for the timer. Then we have our light button. We can adjust the brightness of the display. So we can make it dimmer or we can turn it off completely. Super convenient to have if you keep this in your room and you don't want any lights on. So we can do that right there. And then lastly, we have our UV button. This does feature UV, and we can choose to turn that on or off with just the touch of a finger. Front and center of the control panel too, you may have noticed we have our real-time display of our PM 2.5 value right here. So the lower the result, the better. Poor is going to be 180, moderate's going to be 130, good's going to be 80, and excellent's going to be 37. So currently we're showing 13. And we have really good air quality here. So this air purifier is really quiet. I have no reason to believe that it doesn't support 22 decibel low noise operation. My decibel meter doesn't start even monitoring a sound level until 30 decibels. So we're not even able to pick up any noise coming out of the air purifier in its current settings, which is sleep mode, and we have fan speed setting to 1. Now for turbo mode and our max fan speed of 12, we peaked at 41.3 decibels, well within range. And if you ask me, that's still really quiet, but don't take my word for it. Why don't you go ahead and listen for yourself? Here's a close-up of the indicator light on the front of the air purifier. Check it out. Blue is the color you want to see. So you don't have to look at the display and try to decipher the measurement on the control panel. You can just look right at the front of the unit, see the visual indicator letting you know the condition and air quality of the room that you're in. And if you're wondering, you can also turn this light off as well when you want to change your display settings. That also controls the light here. So this Toshiba air purifier is small and compact, yet very powerful. It can filter the air 5 times per hour in a room up to 198 square feet, getting rid of dust, pet dander, smoke, pollen, odors, allergens. You get the idea there. The only thing I want to see improve with this product in the future is a built-in handle. Since this unit is small and compact, it would be convenient to have an easy point to grab on the unit to move it around from room to room. The good news is it's so lightweight, it's not that big of a deal, but it would be nice to see a little bit of extra thought put into that in the future.